The new MBO Datamanager 4.0 introduces a software for job analyzing and scheduling that will help print jobs to advance the networking of their Postpress department. Due to its intuitive user interface, the Datamanager can be fed with job data from any connected computer on site. However, it can also be used as a direct link between your MIS and your machines. Once connected to your existing system, it can transfer data to your machines just in time. The essential job data for setting up your machines includes the respective fold patterns, paper formats, paper thickness, job size, and the required folding performance. Each job is compared to the individual technical capabilities of the machines to use them the most efficient way. The Datamanager 4.0 simplifies supplying your operators and folding machines with important job data exactly when needed. This way, your folding machines immediately set up all automated components by themselves. The operator receives all needed data securely, clearly, and accurately on the machine's touchscreen. Individual changes to the job setup parameters by the operator are sent back to the Datamanager and saved. This shortens setup times for recurring jobs even more. Whilst the machines are running, they simultaneously send real-time feedback about their status back to the Datamanager. This way, not only the progress of each job can be observed, but also statistics become available, which will help you to monitor your production, meet your target date, and keep track of your costs. Each machine of the MBO group with the M1 Advanced Machine Control is directly compatible with the Datamanager 4.0. Also, folding machines with other machine controls, older machine types, and third-party Postpress machines can be connected to the Datamanager. For this purpose, MBO developed the BDE Data Capturing Terminal. It can be connected to any machine to also receive job data, analyze the machine's performance, and send feedback to the Datamanager. If you would like to learn more about the capabilities of the Datamanager 4.0, for instance within a live demo, please feel free to contact us.